So the guy I just met, he said he's gonna rebuild my carburetor. I told him that I had this one from the junkyard, and he told me plug it in. This is the one that's in the carburetor. He told me to plug this one in because I told him I didn't know if this worked because I got it from the junkyard. And I just seen this. Watch this. I'm gonna turn the key, and when you turn the key, it goes down. Watch. You see it went down? And when I turn it off, it pops up. So I guess it works. I don't know. I bought this eBay. I got it for $20. And I had this one already, the carburetor tool, but I need two, one for each side. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try to mess with that and see if I can get it running better. All right, first thing I gotta do is take this air cleaner off for the millionth time. Gotta get these in there somehow. They say you have to put the air cleaner back on, so. Alright, that side's in. I don't know why, but it seemed like the passenger side was so much easier to get off. So let me take this clip off. That vacuum hose out of the way. Let me get some pliers, it will be easier. Trying to get this done before it starts raining. Hopefully it don't rain, but it's supposed to. Passenger side winning so damn easy. Or maybe I just don't got the right tool, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Something is definitely not right. Here comes Oma. All right, that one's in there finally. All right, so now I'm gonna put the air cleaner back on. Oh, I gotta hook those, put the clip back in. And that vacuum hose back on. This one right here, and this clip. Almost forgot about that. What up?
Hello. What are you doing?
Recording.
Oh, shit.
Trying to adjust this carburetor. That's it.
Was it live?
Huh?
Was it live? The
No.
video? All right.
I'm just trying to adjust this carburetor. That's it. It's still on, but yeah.
Yeah, seems like a lot of shit.
Oh shit, that's
Huh?
a lot of bull. Just need this thing running right. Everything's the way it should be. Now what I'm gonna have to do is start the car. I didn't even test to see if this thing worked. I just got it in the mail yesterday. Hopefully it does work. I don't know what these things are. But I shouldn't need them. Put those in the box. Put this box in the car. So they say put the negative to the battery and the green to this plug right here on the dwell meter. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so far I don't see any movement, but I didn't start the car, so probably shouldn't see it. Or maybe this thing's broke and I just got burnt for $20, but who knows? Alright. Gonna start it up now. See if this thing works. Working. Don't get your fingers caught in the pan either. It's another obstacle. I'm not sure if the car is supposed to be the car needs to be warmed up. I'm not sure, but let it run for a little bit. Turn you guys back on in like a couple minutes after I let it run for a while. Alright, it's been running for a while now. I've been messing with it. I don't know if you guys can hear the engine like idling higher and low when I'm turning it. See, it's going down. See the engine shaking a lot. The YouTube video that I watched, the guy said, well, he had a 6-cylinder engine. He said it should be at 30. That's right in the middle. This thing is not going nowhere near the middle. It's been saying 15 the whole time I've been messing with it. But I do hear the engine going up and down, idling higher and lower. See, it's going higher, like that. That's too low. I think right about there. See what I'm saying? It hasn't really. I guess I'm gonna keep it there and drive it and see how it is. I don't know, but I definitely gotta drop it off to have the mixture control solenoid replaced. But right there, the idle seems to be alright. So I'm just gonna keep it there for right now. Take these things out. Of course, the thing got stuck in there. This one came off. The other one's still stuck in there. I'll get it out. Unplug this. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. Let me turn it off and turn it back on. See if I have any problems. It's the best I can do for right now. I gotta get that piece out of there. But yeah, that's about it for today. At least I got everything done that I wanted to do, and at least this works. I didn't know if it was gonna work. I just got it, I think yesterday, and I bought it off of eBay for $20. I can't really set the carburetor until I put that mixture control solenoid in, because that plays a big part in the car running too. So it's either I tried mess with it a little bit. It's idling okay, but like I said, I can't really adjust this or the carburetor until I get that mixture control solenoid put in. So I'm just gonna put everything away and I'm done for the day. Mike GTV. B.